In the heart of the Arctic, where temperature plunges below -50 degrees Celsius and blizzards rage, a blizzard of this magnitude kills within minutes. Yet the Nenets must rebuild their homes or freeze through the night. The cold attacks exposed skin within seconds, purple fingers, frozen eyebrows, crystallized breath, yet they must work outside or die from cold anyway.
Every step a battle. Wind pushing, cold stealing heat, snow waist deep. Moving just...
The storm tore their home open. Hours of darkness remain. The tent must be rebuilt, or the...
Every item known exactly where. Reindeer hides, wooden poles, binding rope. Rehearse emergency procedures from childhood.
The frame goes up, traditional cone shape perfected over generations. Wind tries to tear it down as they build.
Rope bindings hold structure together. Hands numb, but work must be perfect. Loose binding means tent failure and death in the night.
Reindeer hides, the insulation of the Arctic, placed carefully to shed snow and wind.
Every rope tied must hold. Wind will test them all night. Loose binding means exposed frame and frozen family. Darkness approaching, but the tent nearly complete. Final roof binding must be perfect as night comes and temperature drops even further. The roof vent, perfectly angled to release smoke but not cold, designed from centuries of knowledge, ensuring people inside survive the winter.
The tent stands. Hours of desperate labor complete. The Nenets and their families will survive the night. Inside the rebuilt tent, family gathered around fire, warmth radiating. The Arctic night held it.
Reindeer stew, a traditional meal. Warmth and calories returning to exhausted bodies that spent hours in
Family gathered, meal shared, survival secured, traditions maintained. Outside, the storm rages. But inside the tent rebuilt today, family is warm and safe.
Dawn arrives, the tent stands, the storm continues to diminish. The Nenets survived another night.
Morning arrives, the tent survived the night. Now the work continues, storm debris to clear, supplies to organize.
Work continues, clearing snow, organizing supplies, maintaining readiness. The tent stands complete, traditional design proven reliable. The Nenets rebuild their home in the Arctic and in this vast and harsh landscape, the Nenets live and thrive through traditional knowledge. Inside the tent, home restored, family together. The Nenets continue their way of life maintained through centuries of Arctic survival.
Around the fire, Colleen, the Nenets community gathers. Warmth radiating, strength visible.
Evening comes, the tent stands, the rebuild successful. Another storm survived.
The elders face a lifetime of Arctic survival, knowledge and strength embodied. In the vast Arctic wilderness, one tent rebuilt through human determination.
Right here it is still leaking.
Yes, I can feel the cold air. This patch should fix it.
Every knot that holds means one less worry for the coming weeks. Any rope that fails must be retied before the next whiteout.
By chipping away the dangerous ice now, they ensure the animals survive the long migration ahead.
More wood on this side.
And fur here.
Small, quiet work can be as vital as dramatic rebuilding. While the storm story is dramatic, these quiet repairs ensure that when catastrophe hits again, nothing failed because of negligence.
Nation. The Elder tells of storms long ago, times when tents failed and lives were lost.
Sustained by every log, the fire is more than warmth. It is our shared heartbeat. Their true shelter is not the tent, but the solidarity found within this circle, an indomitable vitality against the storm.
The hide may be thin, a fragile barrier against the killing cold. But inside,
Ringed by their herd beneath the aurora, the Nenets managed to carve warmth and community out of the endless white plate of the Arctic. The fierce persistence of this little light is the inherited will that keeps these people standing against the Siberian night.